beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Latest in Beauty and Hello collaboration unboxing. I'm so excited to show you what's in this, but before we get started, if you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'm uploading a new video every single day in August at 6 o'clock UK time, so I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video. So this box is worth over £177. Hello magazine have basically collaborated with Latest in Beauty and made this Celebrity Glow Getters box. So it retails for £40, but it's got £177 worth of products in. From looking on the website, it has a lineup of 15 celeb improved products, focusing on 3 key steps to fresh, flawless, fabulous skin from AM to PM. So obviously it does come with the magazine as well, like so. 15 products inside. Let's see what we have. I know there's like Morphe, there's Murad. One of the products in here is worth £35 alone, so I'm excited to see what other goodies in here. I've already had a sneaky peek because I couldn't help myself, and one of the products I'm so excited for. I've never tried anything from the brand, so obviously as always you get the little leaflet inside letting you know what's inside, and then this is what the box looks like if I could actually hold it up without it all falling out. So it also has a little card in here for like a subscribe and save to get 50% off the Hello magazine, so you can get 26 issues for only £29.90. And you can also get 1 year for Hello Fashion. You can get 1 year for just £12, which is the magazine that's inside this box as well. So let's just get straight into it. So the first product that we have is the Balance Me 100% Natural Wonder Eye Cream. Just a little 7ml bottle like this. I think these are really good to try eye creams. That just seemed like a full size one though. Let's see if there's any information on the little leaflet for it. So this is an instant radiance in a bottle. It's an award-winning gel which cools and quenches the skin around the eyes, providing a bright and uplifting start and end to the day. Witch hazel works hard to reduce inflammation, whilst hyaluronic acid hydrates and aloe soothes while brightening any dark shadows. Keep refrigerated for extra depuffing powder. A lot of the kind of stuff that you get in these Latest in Beauty boxes as well, underneath the product they have like codes for you to use on the product's website to get money off as well, so make sure that you read like the little print at the bottom too. So yeah, starting off with an eye cream. Next one is a brand that I absolutely love, and this is the Hask brand. This is their Keratin Protein Smoothing Deep Conditioner. I actually split this sometimes and do like use half of it on my head and then save the other half for another time, because you get quite a lot inside it, especially if you just want it to kind of focus on the ends of your hair instead. I feel like I'm a bit too low down. So I feel like I'm in the right position. So yeah, that's actually can be quite pricey in Boots and Superdrug, and I really like it. I really like the shampoo and conditioners that they do as well. This product next is the one that is worth £35. So this is a brand that I've never really heard of. It's the Swiss Beauty Glowing Skin Collagen, Peptides and Hyaluronic Acid. It's meant to be like a vitamin tablet. 30 tablets, 1 to 3 per day. It says it's a unique formula containing collagen, peptides, hyaluronic acid, copper and vitamins to promote beautiful glowing skin from within. But £35 is quite pricey for vitamins. I'm hoping it'll do something good. Let's have a little look, see what it looks like. So it just looks like this. Hopefully that focuses, because I haven't got my laptop set up today, so I don't even know if I'm in focus. And the date on it is actually quite a decent date as well, so it lasts until February 2022 as well. So at least it's not just got like a short expiry date on it, which sometimes you find like in boxes. The next one is the one that I'm actually really excited for. This is from the brand Flower, and I'm pretty sure, Flower Beauty, I'm pretty sure this is the one, oh my god, I'm going to forget her name. The one that's the celebrity one that's in Superdrug. I'm sure Flower Beauty is her brand. I can't remember her name. But this is basically one of their powder blushes. So it says it's soft satin finish, easy to blend and buildable colour. And not tested on animals. I'm trying to see if it's vegan, but I can't see anything saying that it's vegan on it. made in the USA, and this one is in the shade Warm Hibiscus, which to be fair would be a colour that I would pick. So I'm really excited to try that. I'm loving blusher at the moment, so I think that'll go down really nicely in my collection. I do have a full makeup like playlist and stuff if you want to see what's already in my collection. I'll leave my blusher one link down below and my blusher declutter. So I did get rid of quite a few things as well. The next brand is Lancaster, and this is the Sun Beauty Velvet Milk SPF 30. Sounds really weird, but I'm just kind of getting into SPF, so that'll come in handy to see what that one's like. Next up we have a Bumble & Bumble product. This is the BB Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray. I think I might have used this before, but I'm not entirely sure. I can't remember 100%. Oh my god. But I'm excited to try it again because I don't really remember what I thought about it. I might actually put some of these products into my giveaway for future giveaways, or even I'm saving up like a big tub for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway as well. So I might try and put some things into that too. Next we have the brand, is it Nux or Nukes? I can never pronounce this one. And it basically just looks like this. This is their multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. Although I don't really know if I'd put like a shiny, glittery oil in my hair, but I've heard really good things about it. I'm sure I've had that before and ended up giving it to like a family member or something. We also have a bath oil. This is the Olverum bath oil. 15 millilitres, so it's quite a decent one. It says add 1/3 of the bottle to a warm run bath, so it's enough for 3 baths. It's a unique and luxurious blend of 10 essential oils. Helps to ease stress, relax tension in both mind and body, bringing you back to your complete and natural self. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be getting up on that because I'll be going back to uni. I'll be like doing my last module of uni soon. Which is when I learn all like the therapies and stuff, so I'm gonna need that. We've still got absolutely loads of products left in here, by the way. It's crazy that this is like £40. Next we have the Dr. I don't even know how to pronounce it either. This is the Serum Repair Hyaluronic Acid Skin Moisturising and Vitalising Serum. This is a 5ml bottle. It says deeply moisturise and repair your skin with this intensive treatment. Collagen levels are boosted and moisture retained for a fresher, plumper look. Use under your day or night cream. Oh, so it's like an extra one. Around the eyes for an instant tightening effect, or for men as an anti-aging aftershave serum. So it must be more stuff for your eyes than anything else. That's a bit of a unique one. Next we have a perfume sample. This is just a natural spray from Penhaligon's Elizabeth, I can't pronounce it, Elizabethan Rose. Let's have a little look to see what this is like. I'm pretty sure this is quite an expensive brand, you know. This is what the packaging looks like. And it's a 10ml bottle as well, so it's quite a decent size. Oh, and it's a spray. I love when it's a spray one because I feel like the roll balls just get wasted. It does smell really nice, but I've never really heard of the brand before, but I'm pretty sure it's quite pricey, if I remember rightly. It looks it from the packaging anyway. Next we have a lip liner. I absolutely love lip liners, so I'm really happy to add another one to my collection. This is the Delilah Lip Line Longwear Retractable Pencil. It's cruelty-free and vegan, paraben-free, dermatologically tested, and it's in the shade Naked, which I'm really hoping is just like a nice nude colour. Naked 3001. So it just looks like this, and it looks like, ooh, yeah, it looks like it's a nice pinky colour. Just, I don't know if that's going to focus. It reminds me a little bit of the kind of MAC Saw, a little bit, maybe a little bit darker and a bit more purple and not as pink, I think. But yeah, happy to add that to my lip liner collection because you all know by now I love lip liner. I recently did my lip liner collection video, so I'll leave that link down below if you want to go check that out as well because I love lip liner. We also have, like I said at the beginning, a product from Murad. This is the Glycolic Brightening Serum. So it's an environmental shield for step 2, which is to treat the skin. To use AM and PM, massage evenly over face, neck and chest, and to use a sunscreen during the day. So it's a gold stabilised vitamin C and glycolic serum, which helps to improve the look of hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone for dramatically brighter, healthier looking skin. And it's actually quite a decent size as well. It's not just like a little sachet. This is a 5ml size as well. Another little kind of sample that we've got, this is a 7ml one. This is the Bare Minerals Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. I think I already have a sample of this, so I'm not going to open this one up just in case I already do. But it says, create the perfect canvas. It smooths away dryness, the look of fine lines, excess oil, the appearance of enlarged pores, or any uneven texture as well. I definitely want to try some more Bare Minerals stuff, because I feel like I've never really... I was looking today because I've got like 40% off certain things on the Boots website. I'm actually, the day you're watching this video is the day I'm filming it, so definitely go check it out if you live like in the UK, or you can get Boots to deliver to where you are, because they've got like 40% off certain Bare Minerals stuff. So I was quite tempted, but I decided not to. The next one is the Morphe one. I actually don't own any Morphe highlighters, so I'm really excited to try this. This is the High Impact Highlighter. It's just in the shade Lit, which, to be fair, I think when I looked in the little, yeah, it is quite a light colour. It says shimmer and shine in their prismatic highlighter, creamy looks and super easy to apply for an all-out glow. So this is what it looks like. So it is quite yellow toned, but to be fair, oh my god, it feels quite nice. I prefer more of a warm. Ooh, like, yeah, it goes quite goldeny. I don't know if you can see that at all. But it goes quite goldeny when you swatch it. So I'm definitely going to have to try that out. I might put that in a upcoming kind of testing video, because I know that I've got quite a few planned for September. By the way, when it goes into September, I'll go back to my normal uploads 3 times a week, and I'll try to do some bonus uploads if I can. But I am really drained from Vlogust, I'm not gonna lie. I'm really hoping that I'll recharge soon and definitely be able to do Vlogtober, because it is really draining kind of working, also being at uni, and like doing a video every single day as well. So anyways, last one for this box is the Gold Collagen Hydro Gel Mask for skin hydration, radiance, luminosity and smoothness. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. Expires May 2021, and that's just what it looks like. That'll be interesting to try. I am going to be doing, so obviously I've been doing the Foundation Fridays, where I've been putting a foundation to the test every week, but I am going to be mixing it up. After I did that little poll on our community group, I'm going to mix it up so that one week it'll be a Foundation Friday, the next week it'll be a Face Mask Friday. So let me know in the comments if you want me to test this one soon. Because I've already took some of the comments first, that I did that video, like show my whole kind of face mask collection. I've put them recommendations down, but let me know if you want to do this one as well, because I've been more than happy to do that for you. So like I said, this box, it's still on the website, it's still available. I just checked today. Retails for £40. It's got 15 products inside. You also get the Hello Fashion magazine and obviously the codes and stuff to be able to get the subscription for the year long for a lot cheaper in price. £40, it's actually crazy when it's worth £177. Even if you just wanted to keep a few items, or split some with friends, or sell some on after you've picked the ones that you wanted, then I definitely recommend picking up this box anyway. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video, 6 o'clock UK time. Love you so much. Bye guys.